The video opens with a stunning introduction, showcasing Earth's diverse landscapes from aerial and cinematic perspectives, setting the stage for an exploration of the top 50 breathtaking destinations in the world. The journey begins with ancient wonders, highlighting their historical significance and architectural marvels, capturing the viewer's imagination with drone footage and time-lapse. Natural marvels are next, with high-resolution photography and cinematic B-roll, showcasing the awe-inspiring beauty of these locations, narrated in a deep, engaging voice. The video transitions to futuristic cities, emphasizing their innovative designs and cultural significance, while discussing sustainable tourism and conservation efforts. Hidden gems are revealed, focusing on their unique charm and cultural richness, encouraging viewers to explore beyond the well-trodden paths. The narrator stresses the power of travel to inspire and connect people, highlighting its role in broadening perspectives and fostering global unity. The video emphasizes the importance of sustainable tourism, discussing future prospects and conservation efforts to preserve these breathtaking destinations. Cinematic music and profound storytelling maintain interest, blending educational content with visually mesmerizing scenes to captivate the audience. The narrator, with a professional, warm-toned voice, adds a personal and engaging touch, making the content accessible and immersive. Subtitles are provided for accessibility, ensuring that the educational and visually stunning content is available to all viewers. The video concludes by reiterating the transformative power of travel, encouraging viewers to explore the world and appreciate its diverse beauty. Throughout the video, a mix of drone footage, time-lapse, and high-resolution photography is used to explain concepts and showcase each location's unique features. The cultural significance and natural beauty of each destination are highlighted, with a focus on their historical and contemporary relevance. The video maintains a balance between educational content and visual storytelling, ensuring that viewers are both informed and entertained. Profound storytelling and cinematic music are used to maintain interest, creating an engaging and immersive experience for the audience. The video wraps up with a call to action, inspiring viewers to embark on their own journeys and discover the hidden gems of the world.